A few years ago, a close friend of mine told me she was scared to walk down the stairs in her own home. Not because of her age, but because her legs had become so weak she felt unsteady. And she's not alone. It happens to millions of people over 50. The truth is, weak legs don't just make everyday life harder, they quietly steal your independence and confidence. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and it doesn't take hours at the gym or complicated workouts. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple, joint-friendly exercises you can do right at home to rebuild strength, improve balance, and move with confidence again. Stick with me to the end because I've got a bonus tip that can help you see results faster. And if you're ready to take control of your health and strength, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get started. 1. The resting squat. Your body was designed to squat. It's one of the most natural, primal positions for humans. For thousands of years, people sat, worked, and even cooked in this posture. To do it, stand with your feet a little wider than your hips and turn your toes slightly outward. Slowly lower yourself into a deep squat, keeping your heels pressed into the ground, your chest tall, and your back straight. Go only as low as feels comfortable. You're not in a competition here. Hold at the bottom for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing slowly and deeply. You'll feel your hips loosening, your ankles becoming more mobile, and your legs subtly engaging to keep you steady. This move is like a 3-in-1. It stretches tight hips, improves ankle flexibility, and strengthens your legs. Even better, it wakes up your core muscles, the hidden stabilizers that keep you balanced and upright in daily life. 2. Bulgarian split squat. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. It's simply a supported single leg squat, and it's one of the best moves for balance and leg strength. Stand about 2 feet in front of a chair, bench, or sturdy surface. Place one foot on the seat behind you, keeping your other foot planted firmly on the floor. From here, slowly lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the ground. Keep your front knee stacked directly over your ankle, never letting it shoot forward past your toes. Press through your front heel to rise back to the starting position. Aim for 5 to 10 slow, controlled reps on each leg. This exercise works wonders for improving single leg stability, strengthening your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, and reducing knee strain. In daily life, it translates to easier stair climbing, better walking endurance, and stronger legs to prevent falls as you age. 3. Glute Bridge. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Your heels should be positioned close enough so that if you reach your arms down, your fingertips can just graze them. This setup ensures maximum glute activation. From here, press your heels firmly into the ground and slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling. As you rise, imagine peeling your spine off the floor one vertebra at a time. Keep lifting until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. At the very top, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. Think of it like you're trying to hold a coin between them. Hold that squeeze for about 20 seconds before lowering your hips back down with control, resisting gravity instead of just dropping. The glute bridge might look simple, but it's incredibly powerful. It directly strengthens your glutes, lower back, and hamstrings, the trio of muscles that keep your spine protected, your posture tall, and your movements stable. Many cases of back pain are linked to weak glutes, and this exercise is one of the most effective ways to fix that. Over time, you'll notice you stand straighter, move more easily, and feel stronger in everything from bending down to pick something up to walking upstairs. 4. Forward lunge. Start from a tall standing position, feet hip width apart. Take a long step forward with one leg, landing softly on your heel, and bend both knees until they form 90-degree angles. Your front knee should be stacked directly over your ankle, and your back knee should hover just above the floor. Keep your chest lifted and your core tight throughout the movement. Think of pulling your belly button toward your spine. push through your front heel to drive yourself back to the starting position. Move slowly and with control. Avoid rushing so you maintain perfect form and protect your knees. Aim for 5 to 10 slow, controlled reps on each leg. Lunges are a compound movement that targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while also challenging your balance. They train your body to stay stable on one leg, which is an essential skill for daily activities like climbing stairs, walking on uneven surfaces, or carrying heavy items. As you build strength and stability, you'll notice more power in your stride, less fatigue from walking, and more confidence moving through your day. 5. Wall squat hold. Stand with your back flat against a sturdy wall, feet about 2 feet in front of you. Slowly slide down the wall until your knees are bent at a perfect 90-degree angle, as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground and your weight should stay evenly distributed through your heels. Engage your core by gently pulling your belly in and keep your lower back pressed firmly against the wall. Avoid leaning forward or letting your knees cave inward. Hold this position for 30 seconds, breathing steadily and focusing on maintaining perfect form. The wall squat hold is an isometric exercise, meaning your muscles are working without movement. This constant tension lights up your quads, glutes, and core all at the same time, building muscular endurance rather than just raw strength. Endurance in your leg muscles means you can stand, walk, and move for longer without fatigue. Whether you're out shopping, playing with your grandkids, or even standing in line, you'll feel the difference in how long your legs can keep going strong. If you've been waiting for the right time to start getting stronger, this is it. Every day you put it off is another day your body loses the muscle, balance, and confidence it deserves. So here's the plan. Start today, even if it's just 5 minutes. You'll thank yourself a month from now when climbing stairs feels easier, walking feels lighter, and your legs carry you with power. So if you're ready, hit like, subscribe for more no-nonsense over 50 fitness tips, and drop a comment telling me I'm in so I know you're taking action. Let's do this together. Until next time, stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.